So guys, in this video, I'll be going over the database reactivation strategy that we are implementing right now for home service businesses just to generate some few cash. And having implemented this for some particular clients we have been working with in the roofing niche, we have seen an additional 30 to 40 grand added in revenue without even spending money on ads or running marketing spend. So now I'll be going over the real strategy on how we are implementing this database reactivation strategy. Now let's get right into it. This strategy is still working and is working for local business, and it works for any type of business, be it a service-based business or a contractor-based business. It's working for service-based business like the chiros, the dentists, the aestheticians, the fitness, med spa. It works for them. It works for anything you are selling. And for the contractor-based business, for roofers, which we specialize in, for solar, for landscapers, the tree guys and remodelers. So this particular strategy is working. And this is what we usually implement first for our clients before even knowing if we are going to spend money on ads. And how does this database reactivation strategy work? It's a very simple strategy that we use. Now, it's all about having to do with squeezing the juice out of your leads. Now, what we usually do is we usually recommend every of our roofers that we work with or home service business that we work with to provide us with a database of lead, or it could be lead of previous homeowners or past homeowners that have deal with them, or anything. Could be a potential lead list that you have. I usually recommend having to be nothing less than 250 to 1000 plus lead database, because when we have the more the lead database, the more the efficiency, the more we are going to know how to leverage on this list, and we are going to get the better result from having this list. So when we have this lead database, with something like this is a particular lead database of one of our clients. So I had to block the information because of non-disclosure agreements. So having this lead database, the next thing we do is we extract this file into our CRM that we use. And for us, we are using Go High Level because of the efficiency of this particular platform. Then when we import and extract this CSV into this Go High Level, then the next thing we want to do is we want to start to program and set up some follow-up system and nurture system in this platform to ensure that we are re-engaging those previous lead or previous homeowners on our latest services on our new offers. And in doing this, one of the things we usually focus on is we need to avoid emails and focus only on SMS and WhatsApp text based platforms, because emails these days are getting into spam, and majority of these homeowners don't even bother checking the emails anymore because they are used to getting a lot of scrappy emails from a lot of roofers and a lot of agencies. So we want to focus more on SMS and WhatsApp in Go High Level. So we set up some pre-call nurturing and follow-up systems to ensure that we are re-engaging this lead. And from just doing this system, you can even get an additional 20 to 30 grand a month from just re-engaging with your past lead. So it's all about squeezing the juice out of what is already working or what has worked before in the past. And the framework around going this is that we choose an angle based on the industry. Now, when it comes to like re-engaging this lead back, we usually have three different scenarios. Number one is to refer them and get a discount, and the other one is to refer and give a free gift. Then the third one is to give a discount. Now, when you say refer and get a discount, it could be on a recurring service, maybe a service like Cairo that you have to keep on doing, or maybe it's a service like barbing that you have to keep on doing. So you just have to keep referring them and giving them discounts. Then also we have the still looking discounts, referral or bonus. This is for one of service like roofing. So I'll be going in deep into how this system work. Now when it comes to the contractual based side of the business and the service based side of the business, the kind of message you can send to them could be things like business name here. I don't know, it could be ABC roofing here. Did you manage to get that your roof installed that you were looking to get done a couple of months back? If depending on how the lead responds to you, then you can follow up, and from there you can even close this lead because it's been a long time you engage with them. So that's all about what the system is doing. So it's just like engaging them. Now, when it comes to sending the initial first message, For referral and getting discounts, it could look something like this. As you can see, this is a live conversation chat between a particular gym owner and a lead. The owner send a simple message just like this. Send down fitness gym here. Been a while since your last trading session, looking to get one book soon. And the lead respond by saying being super busy, but we'll look to get it done whenever we have time. And immediately the Baba replied and said, awesome, well, if you bring a friend by the end of the month, I will give you both 20% off your normal training section. Would that work? So just a simple follow-up like this. And if this list could possibly be interested just from this simple nurture and follow-up system. So you can start implementing something like this, and from there you can know the response to give this type of lead. Then the second framework you need to be applying when it comes to this particular type of system is the refer and free gifts, because you want to ensure that you are trying to win this lead back. So you need to ensure that you are optimizing your message in such a way that you stand out and get them to want to book and set an appointment with you. So this is a live example between this particular roofer and the lead. As you can see, it says here, Bayrock Roofing here. Been a while since your last appointment regarding replacing your roof. Are you looking to get one booked soon? And this lead reply, yes, been super busy, but we schedule the appointments. But get the appointment schedule whenever I have time this week. Now, the roofer replied by saying, this month we are doing a free roof inspection plus gutter cleaning for anyone that refers a friend. So when are you looking to rebook? So a simple system like this can actually re-engage and get this lead to start replying back. And from the initial response we have been given, you cannot know what to reply. We can reply with them by telling them something like, amazing, well, feel free to bring a friend since we have a new offer. We can throw in a free gutter cleaning for you. We are running this till middle of July. Would that work? So this thing is all about having a system in place to ensure that you are re-engaging your previous lead, you are re-engaging your previous customer and getting them to come back to your business and to get them to even buy from you again. And so then also the last system for this is giving a discount. It could be a discount on a roof. Just as you have seen here, this is a particular conversation of between a particular roofer. This is Diamond Roofing. As you can see here, they say, Diamond Roofing here, did you manage to get that new roof installed that you were looking to get done a couple months back? And this particular lead responded by saying, no, some of the quotes we received were too expensive, but hopefully in the nearest future. And it replied by saying, we are doing some work in this area. Since we already have some reports, more I'll be more happy to throw in a little discount on the job. And the lead was asking how much discount. So from there, you can now know what kind of message to approach them, be it positive or negative. As you can see here, the reply could be something like, we are doing some work in the area. If it's something you ideally want done, we could send someone out to give you a free quote this week if this is still on your priority list. And just from having these three systems, three nurtured framework in place, you can even start to close deals. You can even start to get leads to re-engage back with your business. And some ideally best practice that we usually use when we send these emails and follow up to this past lead is, number one, is to always ask question. You want to keep it short and don't show your whole hand. Don't show them what you want to give them in the initial place. You can just tell them we are looking to throw a 30% discount. Then when they are actually ready and you feel like they are ready to take action, you can now start to tell them more details about the offer. Then also you have to segment the audience, because different audience will want to receive different messages. So you always want to segment the audience. Different lead want to receive different messages. Then also you want to make sure that your offer is infinite upside and zero downside, that you are getting the most for what you promise. So this is a simple framework, and just by using this particular framework that I've just explained here, we have seen roofers that are adding nothing less than 20 to 30 grand just from implementing this system. There's no ads, there's no spending of money. It's just all about having your previous lead list. You plug it into a CRM, and just from this you can set up automations And just from this, you can start even getting some quick cash, like 20 to 30 grand from the system. Then from the money you can get from the system can be move further to maybe investing in paid ads or other marketing channels. So I really recommend this particular system for you if you're a roofer, if you are a chiropractor, if you are a landscaper, you can implement this system. So just take this system, take the whole exact framework I've said in this video, the whole exact message, just as I have said in this video, and just implement it into your company and see the game changer is going to bring for your business. So that will be all for now. Bye bye.